So, what bike did Buell advertise as the world's first adventure sport bike? Was it the Ulysses, the Starfighter, or the Polaris? Angela, you got the answer?
Ulises.
Huh?
I thought that'd get you. Well, guess where I interviewed out, Steve?
We're interviewed out.
Guess where I interviewed at.
Oh, that American Legion Legacy Run.
Yes.
I've been hearing a lot about that. Tell me about it.
It looks like it's going to be a blast. Let's check it out. Many children of our active duty military are now members of single-parent families. In many cases, their chances of attending college have diminished as a result. The American Legion is one organization that strives to help those children.
The American Legion is made up of 2.5 million members located in 55 departments, which are located in 14,000 communities across the country and the world. We will be conducting our 5th annual Legacy Run this year. We'll kick off from Post 64 located on Holt Road, get to Milwaukee by way of 1,400 miles, and hopefully accomplish the goal of raising $450,000 for the children of our fallen heroes. This is our 5th annual run. Previous 4 we've gone west, and over those 4 years we've raised over $1 million in support of these kids. It's not just available to the American Legion riders, but anyone who ride that would like to participate can register online, or they can come to Post 64 and we can register them there, but they're more than welcome to run during the ride. This is a wonderful event. We're riding for a cause, not just to ride, to have fun. It's a great time. This group of 300 to 400 bikes have met here 4 years previously. It's a time for them to get together, camaraderie, share stories, and then ride for that purpose of raising scholarships for the youth of our country.
What time or when does that ride kick off this year?
The ride will kick off August 22nd, I'm sorry. And we will take 5 days to go through Missouri, Illinois, Wisconsin, Minnesota, and then into Milwaukee, of course. And then at the end of that run, we will stay there for the convention, and then we'll culminate the event as part of the National Convention Parade there in Milwaukee.
If you would like to participate in this year's Legacy Run, pre-register online at legion.org/riders. Cost is $50 per rider and $25 per passenger. The American Legion also accepts donations, which go directly to the Legacy Fund. Not only does that look like it's a great time, it's for a good cause. Those kids really need the scholarship money, and a lot of them don't know about it. Now it's time to check out the second installment of the Southside Harley-Davidson calendar.
Well, we're about out of time.
We are out of time, Steve.
You know, if you haven't made it out to one of our bike nights and the weather hasn't been great, it's getting better now, and we're getting big turnouts, and we hope to see you Tuesday night at Whiskey Business out on Pendleton Pike.
And Brandon's on Wednesday nights. Is that on Southport Road?
It's Southport Road and Shelbyville Road.
Okay.
And we're a little late getting here because we have to do some taping on that night, but we do get there around 8:30.
Yeah, there's some people still hanging out.
And Thursday night, of course, we're at Longacre, where we're going to be taping.
This Thursday, bring your bikes out, shine them up. We're going to be filming for Bike of the Week. If it rains, which I hope it doesn't, we're going to do it on the 17th.
And be sure to go to IndyTV.com, and you can see excerpts of our show. And if you want to sit there and go through it, and I think they show some past ones, so if you miss any part of it, be sure and go there.
And be sure you go to SteelHorseTV.com if you have any questions or want to add any events to the calendar. And Facebook, we're hitting the 1,000 mark.
Yeah, and we want to see more pictures. I want to see you guys send some more pictures put on Facebook of your bike and your friends' bikes.
And don't forget, next Sunday we'll have Miracle Ride highlights. We'll see you at 10:30 next Sunday right here on MyNDTV.
Be there.
Still Horse on MyNDTV is brought to you by Southside Harley-Davidson in Buell, your Central Indiana Harley dealer since 1947. And by Leidendorf Law, with over 60 years experience in motorcycle and automotive injury cases.